In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Calendar View in Asana. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Asana account and being able to access the home page, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go directly to your project. And to do that, you could either go to the project section on the home page, or what you could do is on the left-hand side, you want to hover your mouse until you see projects and click on the specific project in which you want to view the calendar to. Now, on this one, on the top bar, you will actually see an option for calendar. Click on this one. Within the calendar, you could actually view the deadlines of each task. As you can see here, this is an example task in here, including the collaborator or the specific team in which you included into this task. Now, once you click on a specific task within the calendar, it will actually view the task itself, and you will have an option to edit if you're actually sure about this task. What you could also do is add a specific task into the calendar. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side and you will see Add Task. Now you could either add a task, an approval, a milestone, or a task template to add the task. You could also do that on the calendar itself. There will be an option for every single date to add a task. The dates that we have here are for the week. If you go to the next week on this button right here, it will hover to the next few weeks in which you want to add tasks to. What you could also do is on the top and the right-hand side, you could actually filter out the specific tasks, just my task, and then include the specific team or the name. You could do completed task and as well as incomplete task in order for you to filter out a few things so that it won't show all of the tasks that you have in here. You could also, instead of seeing weeks, you could do by months. This will take you to the whole month of, let's say, October for me. Now we will also have a options bar here just to lay out a few things in our calendar. And what we could do actually is search a specific task. Let's just say calendar, and it will actually show up in here. And that's about it. That's how to use Calendar View in Asana. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.